Hello. Did you know that clutter is fueled by procrastination? Yes. When you say, oh, I'll think about that later, when you're trying to, quote, declutter, and instead you're just derailing yourself by saying, I can't decide, I'll decide on that later. Oh, I can't decide, I'll decide on that later. And I can't decide on this. Do I want to give it away? Do I want to keep it? Do I want to sell it? Do I want to throw it away? Do I want to call my sister about it? All that is a huge procrastination, which causes clutter. Another procrastination that we do is not declutter at all, and not even do a clutter stop, but instead say, you know what, I'll worry about it tomorrow. I'm too overwhelmed today. I don't feel like it. You know, it's not about how you feel. Your actions show how you feel to your family, about your family. So if you love your family, demonstrate that through action. Action, not procrastination. Have a wonderful day.